Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your iCloud for your Apple devices and how to see what all is being sent to iCloud. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing we need to do on our Apple device is hop into our settings, okay? On iPhone here, for the example, I'm showing it on screen. I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to look for my name, okay? Yours will have your name, right? Makes sense. Tap on your name at the top and scroll down just a little bit until you see the iCloud settings. Tap on iCloud and it'll show you, right at the top, how much space you've used. Now, for me, I've used a lot. In fact, mine's almost full. Got 4.95 of 5 gigabytes used, but that's okay because I usually do a pretty good job of managing it. However, if you're not that way, if you don't manage your storage very well, you could always upgrade. They give me this little option here. You see to upgrade 50 gigabytes for 99 cents a month, cloud storage, not bad. And, for some people, they need it. That's okay. If you need to upgrade, you can upgrade right there, okay? But what we're looking for is to scroll down to this saved to iCloud option. We're going to see all. And from here, we can go through the list, okay? You can see iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, iCloud Mail, password and keychains, as in the passwords that I have stored on my iPhone, notes, text messages, my health information, iCloud Calendar, contacts, Safari information. It's all here. Everything that I do on my iPhone, I have control for right here. I can choose to go ahead and turn this stuff on, or I can choose to turn it off if I want to try to free up some space in the cloud, or I don't want it synchronizing, whatever the case may be, okay? This is how you turn it on and off, whatever items you want. So for example, if I want to start tracking my messages, I could click on messages and go ahead and turn that on. I'm not going to do that today though. I'm already almost full, so I don't really have room for it, but I want to go back one page here and show you something else. Right underneath Save to iCloud, we have this iCloud Backup option. If we click that and turn on this Backup this phone option, it will be backing up that data to the cloud, okay? Pretty important. While we're at it, one more really important one here at the bottom, access iCloud data on the web. If you want to be able to access the iCloud information that gets synchronized from your phone into the cloud online, you want to make sure you have that clicked, okay, or activated in the green, okay? That will allow you to go on your computer straight to iCloud.com and see everything that you have on your iPhone very quickly and very easily. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe down below. If you're having trouble with your iPhone or any of your other tech out there, reach out to us at the number you see in this little video clip here. It's always at the beginning of the video as well and down in the description. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.